Multiple choice question 1.5. Lana basiphe a diagram below with two identical spheres x no y. Initially, x will move at a speed of v directly toward y, while y is stationary. The spheres collide elastically. Keyword elastically. Right now, x we are mover, we are y. The following occur, so we need to choose one out of lama options I4. Now, but lama spheres are collide elastically. It means that the initial kinetic energy is equal to the final kinetic energy, or sum of kinetic energy initial is equal to the sum of kinetic energy final. Check again. Sum of kinetic energy initially is equal to half mv x squared plus half mass kabani ga y squared. Bese ba siyabuya ke sithi ek finally it's half mv x squared, this is final, plus 1 over 2 mvy final squared. Okay, bheka ke manje la, since lama spheres are identical, it means that the masses are the same initially as well as after. The only thing is change la yini ama velocity la. So initially x will move at velocity v, y will move at velocity 0, stationary, right? So in order ukuthi lama velocity lawa abe, lama kinetic energies initially the sum of kinetic energies after ukuthi abe equal, right? It means that the final velocity ga x nangabazo collide, ne, a1 komele ibe uv, enye ibe ubani, ibe u0, right? Or lama velocities abe shared equally in order ukuthi ibe elastically lelo kanje. Le velocity, it shouldn't decrease, it shouldn't increase as well, it should remain the same, ne? So lana basipha ama options I4 ngu A bathi the sphere x stops, right? Now x uyoshayisa y, then x wenzani uyostopa, then y wenzani uyomove with a speed of v to the right, meaning le speed x beka move ngaso uyostransfera la ku y amove ngaso to the right. Nayi lento bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ispeed kwamele sibe constant, akumelanga si increase, akumelanga si yenzeni si decrease on any of the two spheres. If that happens, angeke sibe in elastic collision ngoba kinetic energy, sum of kinetic energies before, it should be equal to the sum of kinetic energies after. B, asizobathini, moves with a speed v to the left, ubani x shukuthi yoshayisa go naceda ubuyela back to the left, and then y wenzani will remain constant. If, okay, lana there's no if man for B, that's impossible ngoba y and x have the same masses. This can only happen if y has a bigger mass, kwame uzowenzani uzoshayisa ceda abuyele back emuva u-x. If that is the case, if y bigger than ubani u-x, so since ayalingana lama masses la, u-b siyam eliminate again, right? But the answer yethu nayi u-A. I'm just checking out lawa manye lawa. C, moves with a speed half to the left, moves with a speed y bese move at a speed of half v to the right. So x yoshayisa abuyele back emuva nge half speed, and then le qhubeke to the right ngo half speed, meaning that they are equally shared. But this C, it's out of the picture now ngoba u-x angeke avuke abuyele emuva. Why do I say that? Ngoba they are equal masses. That can only happen if y has a bigger mass. D moves with a speed of to the right, moves with a speed of to the right. D naye siyam-eliminate naye. Well, ngoba unawuthatha ukubheka u-x man akanayo le capability ukuthi angakhona ukumuva usphere y to the right naye amuvele to the right. Akana enough momentum to push y to the right naye a continue to the right. That can only happen if this guy is bigger than y, right? So answer yethu bani u-A. So this is the answer for our 1.5. Check out the description box for more recordings engwayenzile for this question paper. For now, makhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe. For now, asibonane on the next one. Bye bye.